everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing Afrobotanics, the low porosity range. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. I have reviewed some of these products, so before I get into it, Afrobotanics has sent me these things. I didn't use my coin, girl. I didn't use my coin for today's video. They sent me these, and have asked me, to use them and all that kind of stuff. So it comes with this little leaflet thing that says "Hey Queen" with instructions on how to use the products. And this is the box. It says, "Oh, my own kind of beautiful." I'm sure everybody knows how this Afrobotanics things look like, right? If you don't, okay, fine. Just expect a very I would say the quality of the box is not impressive, I'm not gonna lie. So if you hold the box like that, do you see that dipping? This just indicates that this is not a really strong box. You can't, it's very, if you guys have ever bought cake from like a Spa or like a ShopRite, you know those white boxes? This material feels exactly like that. Just so you can make it, like I can make this relatable. So it's already like almost falling apart. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. Okay, that's what I was talking about. You have to support it at the bottom. Okay, okay. So I hope I didn't damage any product. Okay, cool. And then it has bubble wrap inside. All right, so you guys will see in a jiffy. I'm gonna show you guys how I use the product. I'm only using what they have sent me, and I didn't want to add more stuff to it, right? So they sent me this oil, and I used it, guys. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It was a mission. Let me show you why. So a normal spray bottle should be able to kind of like spread the water, right? But I don't know why they thought it was a good idea to put oil in a bottle, in a spray bottle, because let me show you why. Like, it only will focus on that one spot, right? The oils are too thick for them to be in a spray bottle. They have to be in an applicator bottle, all right? Things that are really lightweight, like water, if it has a water consistency, then it can be in a spray bottle. So the company does not even have to incur any further cost. They just have to invest in applicator lids and then change this up. I hope that makes sense, because sprays are supposed to spray, like spread out, and this is just focusing on one spot. And obviously you're going to end up probably using more product because you're thinking, oh, I didn't cover, like, whatever that you're trying to, like, if you take in a twist, it will take you a bit longer to spray the hair than it would if you were using an applicator bottle, right? Or you could just, for me, I ended up having to do this, and then when I put it on my nose, I realized this smells like, it has too much perfume, smells like candy, and I'm going to adjust that in a second. Okay, y'all, so this is the first time I'm using this, right? I was about to start spraying it on my hair, and it has so much perfume in it. It smells like really sweet, like candy. So I'm not going to use this on my hair. I do not like things with perfume, especially oils. Why does the oil have a perfume? And it has castor oil, and my hair does not like castor oil is the third ingredient. Then they sent me their strengthening spray. I have been using it offline so that I can be able to come and tell you guys if it's a product you can invest in. I would say it's pretty lightweight, and you can use this if you've got braids on in a protective style. Is it my go-to? I don't think it will be my go-to, because you guys know I prefer natural ingredients. I have a hibiscus video, and I'd rather use hibiscus instead of this. I didn't experience like my hair acting up some type of way, so I'm not going to say it's a bad product. It's a good product. It does its job, but I don't think, if this bottle gets finished, I don't see myself repurchasing it, because I've got stuff that I know work for me. Because right now they use a lot of bombastic words that I'm going to start doing research, which is something that I did tell you guys I'm going to be doing this year, which is like reading the ingredient list and then teaching you guys how to do the same. But for now, I would say this works just fine. Okay, it does its job. I have already reviewed the overnight treatment. I really like it. I don't know what the heck they put in these things, but my hair likes it. It defines my hair, it keeps my hair soft after my wash days. It's not like other products after you have washed your hair and then after a few days your hair is starting to feel dry and like, you know, hard. This doesn't do that to my hair. So whatever they put in here, I like. All right. Then the strengthening butter, compared to the one that I have been using, this is slightly thicker than the other white one that I've been using, and I'll link up my Afrobotanics review up here for you guys, so you can see what I'm talking about. But the thing, right, in the container it's thick, but once you put it on your hair, I don't know, it melts and then it slides off. It's like you can detangle your hair with it. So I don't know what kind of softening agents they put in here, but it works. But I'm not gonna lie, that other consistency was a bit more interesting compared to this one. This one is thick, but when you put it on your hair, it changes up. The perfume in this is so strong. I don't understand. This butter does have some sort of agent in it that allows for one to detangle. It's white. All of the products are white, okay? And then packaging. The packaging, there we go. It's like, you know, going off over there. It's not aligned. And then we've got that, right? It's not straight and all that kind of stuff. So can we focus on that for brands, you know, South African brands? I feel like these are the small little things that we can fix, because I want each brand that I review to do great, to grow, to take the advice that other influencers, including myself, are saying, and then improve. Because I do not think Afrobotanics is a horrible brand, but I think they're a good brand, to tell you the truth, right? I just need them to fix up a few things, like the packaging, the box that fell apart, you get what I mean, things like that. And then let us talk about the ingredient lists, because some of these formulas kind of feel the same. I'm going to start doing research when coming to ingredients. But you guys remember I did say that this year I don't want to be using products. Okay, let me say I do not want to depend on products as much as I did last year, and I want to go back to the old ways of how I used to grow my hair, which is the natural way. Because when I review these stuff, and you know, if I like them, I do use them and then stop using, for example, my shea butter, right? So for me, I'll still advocate for natural products, because shea butter, if it comes raw, then you know it's raw. If you use hibiscus, then you know it's hibiscus. It's not hibiscus with fenugreek or whatever. It's hibiscus, because you can see the flowers are dried up. It is that. What you put in your spray bottle is what you get. Like this, we are not sure exactly what is it that they put inside. So because we cannot necessarily know that, and I'm not gonna lie, some of these bombastic words I really do not know what they mean, and I have to spend time googling them. So for me, I'd rather just use products that work, that I know are organic, instead of having to stress about what is it that the company put in here, what ingredients was used in here, and you know, stressing about all the kind of stuff. But I'm not going to lie, guys, I like this overnight treatment. I think this is a good spray to have and to use. But the only thing I was not comfortable with is that all of these products have perfume. So I was not comfortable with oils that have perfumes. I think we are okay with having the natural scent of an oil. Let it be. There's no need for you to add perfume to it. I just felt like my hair will probably start acting up if I used perfume. What else? Oh, and the shampoo. Okay, it fell down and I'm lazy to fetch it, but the clarifying shampoo did perform much better than the Black Pearl one. Is it my go-to shampoo? It's a clarifying shampoo anyway. I'm gonna only be using it once in a while. Do I prefer it? For now, I'm gonna say yes, because it did do its job. But should I find another one, I'll definitely review it for you guys. But for now, it didn't strip my hair. I'm not even gonna try to batch the shampoo. The Pro shampoo worked well for my hair, guys. It did its job. It's a shampoo. It did its job, all right? that's it from me, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if my energy didn't come off as normal today, I would like to apologize. I've had a really tough week, and if I say this, no one's gonna believe me, but I got electrocuted by accident. So I didn't see there was a live wire, and I accidentally turned, and then I got choked, if that makes sense, and my whole arm was numb and I couldn't work and stuff like that. Like, y'all, I don't like coming on front of the camera and like taking my personal life and be like, oh hey, this happened to me, da, da, da. And you guys are expecting me to be consistent. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I can, but I got electrocuted. Okay, let me not say electrocuted because it sounds like I'm being dramatic but I got shocked, electrical shock. You see, I still have the bruises over there. So that's what happened to me. I'm really sorry. You guys have seen how my twist out looks after I've used my Afrobotanics. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then we will do other things later on in life. So that is from me, guys. I will definitely see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.